Hi there, it's Dr. Megan from Balance Within Physical Therapy. Today I want to show you 3 simple stretches that you can do that can be really helpful for lower back pain. So lower back pain with sitting, with walking, with standing, with doing things throughout your house can be so tiring and limiting, and these stretches just can take a little pressure off some of the tightness in your hips and pelvis. So the first one I'm going to show you, I like to have people do first thing in the morning, just starting really gently easing things up. But you can do it any time of day and it can be really helpful. So it's actually a yoga pose. You're going to get on all fours. And what I'm going to have you do is round your back and let your head drop forward and your tail tuck under. And then you're going to do the opposite. You're going to extend up, lift your head up a little bit as well too, and drop your pelvis forward. And then just easing back and forth. Getting some nice deep breathing with that too. Can really be helpful for warming that spine up and just getting some more mobility into your back. The second stretch is really helpful for if you're sitting for a long time, like a lot of us do, it would get really tight in the front of our hips. That pulls our pelvis forward, which can really affect the lower back. So I'm going to show it in kneeling, but if your knees bother you, you can put a pillow under your knees, or you can do this in standing as well too. So I'm going to have one leg in front. You're going to be stretching the front of the hip here. So I want you to think about tucking that tail a little bit, chest up, and you should feel a nice gentle pull in the front of your hip. So go ahead and hold it for a good minute or two just to really open up the front of that pelvis, and then you can switch sides. Now you don't want to be cranking through your lower back, it's really moving through your pelvis. Your back should be nice and straight and comfortable with this. Now the third stretch is another good one if you're sitting for a long time or if you're getting pain with walking. But you're going to do this one in a chair. So you can bring your ankle to your opposite knee. Now just that alone, you might feel a really nice stretch in the back of your hip. So go ahead and hold it if you feel that. If you feel like you need a little bit more, you can hinge forward and you're going to feel a nice, comfortable pull through the back of that buttock area. This is going to be really helpful for sciatica pain too as well. So again, holding it for at least 30 seconds, but it's a little bit better to hold it a little bit longer in for a minute or two. And then again, go ahead and switch sides. So these can be great stretches to try to fit into your routine, and hopefully will help take some pressure off. If you have any questions or comments about these, or maybe you need some of those modifications, we'd love to help out. So I'd love to hear what you think about these.